I'm gonna recreate this in Minecraft because I promised when I get 60 downloads, I'll make City Escape in Minecraft. So let's play it. Oh, the controller is really hard, man. The controller is hard. I almost fell there, man. I almost fell, to be honest. In that house, man. Wow. Please don't, man. Please don't. No, no, no. No, 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 no. I don't want to get crushed, man. I don't want to get out. I thought I gonna get scratched. You know why the controller is really hard? Because I'm recording, man. I think the zone is almost finished. That's my grandfather. There's a car and it just go fast by. It is just a car. Oh, I'm shaking. But we almost finished the level, man. I think I almost finished the level. Not that freaking car again, man. I don't wanna die. We finished the freaking zone.